Hi, my name is Kris Aman. I'm a global marketing manager with 3M. 3M sees the need for the industry to collaborate on specifications and parameters for interoperable solutions for onboard optics. For this reason, we're proud to be a member of COBO, and in particular, an enabler in the ecosystem. At OFC 2019, we announced our new expanded beam single mode and multi-mode connector system. This new product delivers the performance the industry is used to using, while at the same time delivers immunity to dust. The benefits of using expanded beam solutions are that it lowers maintenance costs, speeds deployment, and lowers total cost of ownership. At OFC 2019, 3M demonstrated the insertion loss performance of our new single mode expanded beam connector. We look forward to participating in future COBO events.